Ever feel like algebra is just a bunch of rules? Well, what if they're actually shortcuts?
Okay, so here's a challenge for you. How would you do this calculation in your head?
The trick isn't about being a human calculator. Nope, it's about spotting a hidden pattern. And this little formula right here, this is our secret weapon. It's an algebraic identity.
See, we just reframe 97, apply the pattern, and suddenly the math is super simple.
These patterns are called identities. Why? Because they are true for any number you use. All right, let's meet the most common one of all. You've probably seen this guy before.
And when you break it down, you realize it's just a really organized way to multiply.
Now look closely at these two. They're almost exactly the same, right? Just one tiny sign change.
Okay, time to add our third core pattern to the mix, the difference of squares.
This one is awesome because it lets you work backward from two squared numbers. Super useful.
So, once you've got the basics down, it's time to level up your skills.
Now these might look a little scary, but they're just bigger versions of the same ideas.
Take a look. Here's how that same exact logic works for 3 terms, not just 2.
Okay, but what if the pattern is hidden? Well, this is where the real fun begins.
At first glance, a problem like this looks like it doesn't fit any of our patterns.
But with one simple little trick, check it out, we can reveal a familiar structure.
See, we just reshaped the problem to fit a pattern we already know how to use.
It's not just about uncovering patterns either. You can also use them to work backwards.
Here, we're basically starting with the answer and using the pattern to find the original pieces.
So it's crucial to remember, these aren't just rules, they're fundamental truths in math.
Honestly, learning to spot these patterns is like having a mathematical superpower. It just is.
And this way of thinking goes way beyond math. It makes you wonder, what else is just a pattern?